Hi, would you like to learn how to do something with all these junk envelopes? Today we're going to do a little corner tuck that has journaling spots on both sides. We are going to make an envelope using the windows. Then we use the excess for another little pocket. And this is the main part that I'm going to show you how to do, is put this little girl in the window. So it's the same idea with this envelope. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. So this side is all tore up. Let me see if I can figure out how much we want on this side. So that's 1 inch. I want to cut 1 inch away there. So yeah, this could probably, let me see. Could do it like that and have, just trim this bottom off, or even leave it. Okay. So that's using the rest of the flap right there, and it's making it longer, and then we can do a tag. I like that. Close that up. Just not do a flip out tag. Let me see what we got to go in here. And this is exactly what I'm looking for. Some of these pieces that don't quite go. Okay. See if we can start there. So I want something to go right in here. I'm going to open that up so I can see if she'll fit. I like that. Let's see, I'm going to cut it here and here. Right there. So again, I'm going to distress this, and that can be wiped off when you get done. I want her to go up about there so you can see her and see some of the basket. I'm going to pick it up right here and put some glue down. Catch those edges. And really what I'm thinking is I'm just going to sew it together. Put something right here just to cover that up, but I want some more color than that. So I've got this. Is it good too to have a small piece? So I could go right there and cover that up. Yep, I like that. So then I don't necessarily need to cover all that. I can fold this down and glue that together. Actually, what I'm going to do is just glue it all. And I'm going to sew this, but I'm going to give it a few minutes to dry. To these other little pieces that were left. And we could make either side tuck where it went on the paper like this. I think that would look good with this one. Just trim it over. Let's see. I do not know what I'm doing. I'm just doing something. You could cover that up and that side up and have a writing spot. I think. I like this one. I'll do this on one side and the other on the other side. I'll put the green on the other side. Not that you're going to be able to see this a lot. See, I'm just trying to right now use up this excess envelopes that I have for something. Because there's no sense in throwing it away. So I can do this way. That works. So again, I'm just going to distress it. It needs to dry. I always want to do it before it's time. So we have that side done. I'm going to put that on there just because it's already ripped and sideways. And I could put it that way and then it would cover up all that. Okay. So I'm trying to think of what all I've done. I know I've got at least 2 videos here, so I seem like I have been working all day. So we're still working on our envelope series. So I'm using envelopes like this with the windows in it. This one I did not really do a video specifically to show you putting that in, but I want to put it with this one because it's the same technique of getting the little girl and the music notes into the windows. So we did a little journaling spot here. Got I was going to do a tag, but it just turned out looking cute like this. So I left it as a journaling spot. It could go like right in here. You have that excess. And then here's the extra piece from here. Came off there somewhere. And then also we made this little corner pocket to go on a book or on the corner of your journal. And then it does have flip down little spots on both sides where you can write some more. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thank you so much and have a great day.